you remember, our last lesson was about derivative of exponential and logarithmic function. Yes, I formulated for you the formulas, main formulas for exponential and logarithmic functions. If you remember, there was minimum 6 formulas.
Yes.
Yes, and you promised me to learn by heart every those formulas. Okay, let's now solve some problems, some examples for exponential and what logarithmic functions. The examples are given in our blackboard. Let's begin from the first example. Okay, so our purpose is to find the derivative of these functions. Our purpose is to find the derivative of these functions. It's great. Let's start. So if you remember, here we use chain formula. The formula is, if the function is given in such kind, yes, if we should find derivative of function under quadratic root. Do you remember the formula? What was the derivative of x under quadratic root? Yes? yak taksimi do reşe x. Yes. 1 over what? 2 x in quadratic root. Okay? But here is composite function. Funksi murakkab. That's why what we do? 1 by 2 and u under quadratic root and u derivative. Okay? Chain formula. We say it chain formula. We use this formula in this example. It's too easy, yes? Great. Let's begin. So y derivative is one over 2 quadratic root from, and we multiply what?
6.
Yes, 3. It's what? Derivative. Okay, great. Now let's think. What was this formula function's derivative? Do you remember? Which formula do we use?
X.
A
6.
exponential x.
6.
What was
X
this formula?
A.
Yes, please say. X. Yes. Multiply and then it's great. Now we instead of a we use what? 3. Okay, we put it
3.
1, 2, and then from what? 3. It's great. So if we use 3 in exponential x, I can write it in such kind. Here we reduce by quadrant and this one, and we have and 3 by 2. Do you understand this problem?
Yes.
Yes. If everyone understand, let's start another example. Okay?
Okay.
Great. Here we should use the formula of derivative of logarithmic function. Who will say me? The formula of logarithmic function. حاصله فونکسی لگاریتمی رو کی معمول نام میگه؟ Yes, if logarithm a from, for example, u, because here is composite function, yes? Composite فونکسی مرکب. Okay. ln from A.
U.
Yes, the main formula here we use is this formula. Okay. Here instead of u we have 4x in power 2. Yes, x quadrat. Yes, we simply put to this formula. This is our example, and it's too easy. So we have
Çörek ln as.
yes. Once more we will take derivative from inside function, from composite function. Yes, chain rule. Okay, here we have 8x,
Çörek
4x quadrat ln
as.
from C. And we have x and reduce x and its quadrat and 8 by 4, yes. And we have,
U taksimi
So,
du x ln.
yes, we have already finished. It's too easy, yes. The third one, the third example. Which formula do we use? Who will say me? ln of u. Yes, Farzana say please. 1 to u multiply u derivative. Okay, it's too easy. We will use this formula in order to solve this example. Yes, great. So we have ln times x by 2 and we have
Yak
1 to
taksimi tangensi x taksimi du.
yes.
Abi
Mustafa?
tangensi x taksimi du.
Yes, great. Do you remember what was the derivative of tangents? 1 by
Yak taksimi kosinus
yes.
kuadrati x.
Yes.
1 by cosinus.
1 by cosinus.
Mani kosinus tangensi.
I have wrote this part of problem, and then there is the derivative of this. It is also composite function. This function is also composite function. Fusi murakab. That's why we multiply what? Once more. And what is the derivative of this function? 1 half. Yes, half. 1 by 2. Yes. Yak taksimi du. Poserin chamba bro ban chalacho. It's great. We put simply. It's too simple. Yes. Instead of 1 by tangents x by 2, you can use cotangents of x by 2. Yes.
Yes.
Because you know that tangents of alpha is 1
Tangens
of alpha. Yes. That's why instead of this part you can use also
yes.
cotangents x by 2 cosinus quadrat x by 2. Let's now simplify this problem. Simplify this sum. In order to simplify, we use the formula of cotangents. Cotangents formula is cotangents alpha is cosinus by sinus alpha divided by 2 sinus alpha. Instead of this, we use cosinus x half x 2 sinus half x and cosinus quadrat of half x. And here we cancel cosinus x by 2 to this quadrat, and we have 1 2 sinus x by 2 cosinus x by 2. Here we have sinus x. 1 2 sinus x. Yes, we have simplified. This was our some problems and some examples. And now, after it, if you understand, you will solve by yourselves, and I will check your problem. Okay? Bye. Thank you.